Hello everyone! If you have records that are not synced with OneDrive, you can sync those records using the historical data process. Let's move on to the procedure. From Marketplace, go to the Installed section. Under Installed, open the settings for Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM. After authentication, you will be redirected to the Module Settings page. Here, you will see an option called Historical Data. Currently, there is no bulk process running for any module. So let's create a process for the Leads module. First, select the module as Leads. Then select the custom view, such as All Open Leads. After that, select the field where the record folder ID will be saved. In this case, the field should be OneDrive Folder ID extension. The extension will check this field before creating a folder. If a record already has a folder ID in this field, the extension will skip that record. This helps prevent duplicate folder creation. Next, select the expected root folder. It is better to click and select the folder manually. Then click Select Folder. Now you can configure the folder structure. You can remove the existing value and press Shift and 3 to select a CRM field. In this case, I will select Full Name. You can also create multiple folder structures based on your requirement. For this example, I will keep this folder structure. Now click Create cron job. The process is now in progress. Now, if I go to the Leads module and filter the records where OneDrive Folder ID is empty, you can see that there are 16 records where the OneDrive Folder ID is not available. This means these records are not synced with OneDrive yet. Now let's go to OneDrive. Here, you can see the extension folder created by Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM. At this moment, the lead folders have not been created yet because the process is still running. The processing time depends on the number of records and the folder structure. Generally, it processes around 2 to 5 records at a time, depending on the setup. For these 16 records, it may take around 10 minutes. I will pause the video here and come back once the records are synced. After 5 minutes, you can see that there are no leads available after filtering for empty OneDrive Folder ID. This means all the leads now have a OneDrive Folder ID. If we go to OneDrive, you can see that all the lead folders have been created successfully. Now let me open one of the records, such as Test 2. Here, you can see that the folder ID has been updated in the CRM record. If I go to the related list, the OneDrive folder is also available there. Now, if we go back to Marketplace and open the Historical Data section, you can see that the bulk process has been completed. This is how you can create folders for previously created records in any module using Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM.